Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. In today's video, I will show you how to turn on call recording option on iPhone. Currently, call recording feature is available only on iPhones running iOS 18.1 or later. That means if you have an iPhone that is currently running on iOS 18.1 or later, you will be able to use the call recording feature. Although this feature is not enabled by default. For this, you have to activate the call recording option by going into settings. First of all, go to your iPhone settings, scroll down to the bottom, tap on apps, tap on phone, tap on call recording under the call section. Turn on the toggle switch next to call recording. That's it. The call recording feature is now activated on your iPhone. Now when you call someone, you will see an audio wave like icon on the top left corner. As soon as you click on that icon, the call will start recording. And to enhance transparency, there will be an announcement. This call will be recorded. Once your call recording is complete, it gets saved in your Notes app. You can listen to saved call recordings by going to the Notes app and can also save them in your file manager. This was today's video. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Do like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.